Hello friends, this is Vishal. This is the first time in our adult life that we have come to a halt, which gives us time to reflect on ourselves, our current situation, and our plans for the future. We must make the most of this halt and start planning about our future and give a direction to our movements. If you are planning for higher studies after your bachelor's or are planning MBA after having been working in the corporate for a couple of years, this is the time to research about the course and all the colleges. Talking to the seniors, colleagues, and friends will give you a better idea in making the decision. Once decided, you can plan the entrance exam for these degrees. I would recommend to keep expanding your knowledge base and your certification degrees for future growth. If you are working somewhere, you must plan your future growth with the company and understand what all would you take to keep climbing the ladders in the organizational structure. Discuss it with your seniors and industry experts. They will surely guide you in this journey. If you are looking for a different job, get prepared for applying in other companies and start preparing for interviews. Update your resume, update your LinkedIn profile. If you have any dream job or dream position, you must start working for it now and structure a plan in reaching your goals. Sow the seed now so that down the years you will reach where you wanted to reach after have been focused on your goals. If you want to start your own business after working for a few years in corporate, this is the time that you start planning for it and take small steps in understanding the market and researching about the various products and services. Increase your knowledge in terms of marketing, finance, team building, digital marketing, and leadership. If you have a running business, plan about the future of your company you wish to achieve in 5 years. Think about expansion and increase in customer acquisitions. Plan accordingly. It is important that we start planning about our finances and investment. If you are about to get married soon or in few years, you should start planning your finances. Also, you should sit and think about what kind of partner will be suitable for your personality. Discuss with your family members and friends who are married. They will give you good insights to think about so that you are ready for the future. Many of us are fortunate enough to have identified their passion and goals in life. But there are a lot of us who have no idea about why we are doing what we are doing professionally. This lockdown has granted us a few moments to think and understand what we like and what we should be doing and find our desire and passion in life. Stop being a passenger in the vehicle of your life and start driving it. Reflect on yourself and understand what you must be doing. And if you get any answers, it is high time you start working on your desires.